Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreyashi and I'm a software engineer by profession and I like to make videos on skincare, travel, lifestyle and food. So before we get any further in this video, I just want to apologize in advance because there's a construction work going around me and there's going to be background noises like this one, so please bear with me for this video. We always talk about taking care of our skin, taking care of our body, but there are certain parts of our body which we tend to ignore a lot, and those are our hands and our feet. And I feel like if you want to be well groomed, if you want to present yourself really well in front of people, especially your hands and your feet should really be well groomed, should be taken care of. And not a lot of people put in the effort to take care of their hands or their feet. Previously in one video I've already shared how I take care of my feet, but in this video I'm going to be share how I take care of my beautiful hands. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing is cleansing. You really need to properly cleanse your hands. Now it's not just for vanity purpose but also because it's very hygienic. You use your hands to do a lot of things. You don't even realize that you use your hands for so many things during the day, and it's very important that you keep them very clean. I have this habit of washing my hands very frequently. That also has a side effect that my hands dry out very often since it's being washed again and again. But I do that cleaning in order to keep them very clean, hygienic, so that even if I'm eating something or doing anything, my hands should be super clean. So it should be mandatory that when you go out and come back home, you should wash your hands. If you're going to go in the kitchen, get yourself some water, or even if you're eating some fruit which has a peel, not going to touch the fruit, you should wash your hands. Doing anything in the kitchen, you should wash your hands. After using the washroom, you should wash your hands, whether it's for any purpose. So it's very important to keep your hands very clean because a lot of germs, a lot of bacteria, a lot of viruses tend to reside on your hands, and via your hands they can go inside your body very easily. Apart from the air you breathe in, hands are the biggest culprit of taking all those bacteria and viruses inside. So it's very important that you keep them super clean. Now when you're at home, you have the privilege of washing your hands and using a hand soap. But when you're on the go and if you don't have that privilege, always carry a hand sanitizer with you. This is what I always do. COVID has definitely taught us to wash our hands very frequently and also to carry hand sanitizers everywhere. But even pre-COVID, I used to use hand sanitizers, or I always used to carry hand sanitizers with me, because when you use a public washroom, sometimes, in India especially, they don't even have proper soap or maybe hand wash. So it's important that you always keep this handy. You're traveling, you're on the go, you're using something, you've gone out with no intention of eating maybe outside, but you suddenly stop at a chaat counter or a chaat place and start eating. They don't have a hand wash place, right? So always have this handy. It's a must for every human being out there. Second thing, if you don't have hand sanitizer, carry wipes. So wipes kind of get rid of that bacteria or the virus or the germs that have accumulated on your hands. So either you wash your hands, or you use a hand sanitizer, or you use a wipe. These three things should be a must in your hand care routine. Now moving on from hand washing to actually taking care of exfoliating. So we exfoliate our faces, our bodies, everything, but we should also exfoliate our hands. Hands actually start showing the signs of aging first because they're very exposed, right? You can cover your body with clothes, you can even cover your face with maybe like a protective gear or hat or something like that. But your hands, especially like the palms and the back of the palms, are always exposed to the harsh sun. They show the signs of aging the first. So it's very important to even exfoliate and remove the dead skin cells from your hands. So whatever exfoliator that you use for your body, apply it on your hand as well. I do this thing, so whenever I'm applying anything on my face for my skincare, remaining I just massage onto my hands. So all my chemical exfoliators, all my moisturizers, barrier repairs, all my retinols, everything goes onto my hands as well. And that's how even they get the required nourishment and everything that your hands deserve, all the TLC and all the love that they deserve. So cleaning done, exfoliation done, you can use your body scrub, you can use your salicylic acid or AHAs or chemical exfoliators. Anything is fine. Just apply them on the back of your hands, on the palms also, so that they are very, very exfoliated and well exfoliated. Now it comes to also taking care of your hands, moisturization. So for moisturizer, I always, as I said, whatever I'm applying on my face or my body goes onto my hands for sure. But during the day when I'm washing my hands so many times, I'm not going to carry my hand cream, my face cream or my body cream around. I always carry a hand cream with me. So this is my most favorite hand cream. This is the Body Shop's Hemp Hand Protector, and it's for repairing ultra dry hands. And trust me when I say this, I do have very, very dry hands. It's a 96-hour heavy duty moisturizer, and it's the best, I think, out there. I've tried a lot of different hand moisturizers, but this one from Body Shop is by far the best hand cream that I've ever used. I always have this in my bag. It doesn't really smell that nice. You would feel like it smells very vegetable like, it's like you've applied some vegetable on your hand, but the way it works on your hands, it's like so amazing and so beautiful. So I think this is the best hand cream out there. Another thing that I like to apply on my hands, see, I work out and I do strength training, so I do get these calluses on my palms. This you can, I think, see also, but this gets worse if you don't take care of your hands. So I use this Moisture-X cream. This cream actually contains urea and lactic acid. So what it does is it exfoliates this hard skin over here. You get this on drugstore. It's so thick. It works beautifully on your hands, especially with the calloused hard hands that you have. And it's very cheap also. I think I got this for around 200 rupees, and I've been using this since last 3 months or so, and it's still there. So very, very good moisturizer for your hands. Next thing is something that people forget very often, and as I said, your signs of aging start showing up on your hands first because they are the most exposed parts. So it's very important to apply sunscreen on your hands, especially the back of your hands. Whatever you are applying on your face, you should explicitly apply your sunscreen also onto the back of your hands. Maybe like a face sunscreen or maybe like a body sunscreen also. I use this one recently, I've purchased, very nice. All my girls who get the gel nail paints, very important that you apply sunscreen and then go, because you have to keep your hands in that UV lamp, right? So it's very, very important that you apply sunscreen because the UV rays are straight away going on to your hands. Very, very bad for your hands. So do not forget, do not skip your sunscreen onto the back of your hands because they are the most exposed parts of your body, and the signs of aging start showing first there. And this was the hands, but also with the hands comes the nails. It's very important to keep your nails really, really, really clean. If you have like long nails or even shorter nails, and if you have like dirty nails, it looks so bad. So it's very important that you keep your nails clean. And I use this nail brush to keep my nails clean. You can use this and just use it like this. You can use it dry, you can use it wet. I have one in my washroom, one in my handbag, one in my car, so that anytime I see that my nails are not looking good, and it grosses me out because people have long nails and then it's filled with gunk and dirt and they're eating with those hands, and that I can't even think about it. So that looks very bad. So please keep your nails very clean if you want to look good, if you want to look presentable, and if you don't want to irk out someone with whom you're talking and your nails are showing up. Please keep it very clean. Please. That's the most important part, to keep your nails very clean. And also, especially for women, you can either keep them like just like I've kept them, very natural, nothing. I have not applied any nail paint or anything on my nails, but I've applied like a top coat, okay, like a invisible top coat, so that they look shiny, they don't look dull. Okay, your nails do get dull with time. And also, please for your cuticles, especially in the winter months. The cuticles of the nails start chipping off, looks very bad, very unkempt. So just chip it off, use a nail cutter, chip them off, and apply like a nourishing cuticle oil, because that will just help your cuticles, help your nails, strengthen the nails, and will also make them very healthy. So very important to use a cuticle oil on your nails, and also clean the nails. That's very, very important. If you want, you can apply like a nude nail paint for everyday basis. You don't have to get, like, I am taking a break from gel nail paints for now, because that also does a lot of harm to your nails and to your nail bed. So you need to give that breather between like 2 gel nail paints. So I always give that time for my nails to grow on their own and be like more healthy in nature. So yeah, that's what I do, and I'm taking a break right now, and then I'll soon get another gel nail paint done. But meanwhile, I've just applied like a plain basic top coat, so that my nail bed is protected and nails look shiny. So like, keep your nails very, very groomed. Cut them. If you like longer nails, just make sure they're not excessively long also. And if your nails are not like in same sizes, make sure it's in the same size, because that also looks weird, that one nail is super long, one nail is super small. So if it chips off, one of the nail gets torn apart, just make sure everything is in the same size. So yeah, cleaning, moisturizing, exfoliation, sunscreen, keeping your nails clean, keeping your nails well kept, groomed, all of these are really important for your hands. Applying hand sanitizers and hand creams, and it's like a part of your body, and you should not ignore it, neither your feet nor your hands. They're very, very crucial and very important, and they do a lot of hard work for you. So it's your duty to keep them protected and keep them healthy and work for them, because if you can do that for your skin, if you can do that for your body, you need to give that extra love and care to your hands and your feet as well. So yeah, I will link all these products that I use in the description down below, and you tell me if there's anything else that you do for your hands. How do you guys take care of your hands and your feet? And I'm really excited to hear all about that. But yeah, that was it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very, very soon with another video. Until then, bye bye.